The late Comrade Mugabe was an embodiment of the Pan-African spirit, offering immeasurable assistance and solidarity to many other African countries in their struggles to end colonial rule and apartheid. As an African leader, as well as an intellectual giant, he was firm and steadfast regarding Africa's quest to address the challenges facing the continent. He was unwavering in his insistence that Africa's problems demanded African solutions. President Mugabe spent a lifetime challenging Africa to find its place and voice in the community of nations and remain faithful to this calling to his last breath. Further, Comrade Mugabe always put Africa's interests first and did not shy away from pushing for the ownership and prudent utilization of African resources for the benefit of the African people. Although he was shunned by some for his fervent belief in the African cause, throughout his life he maintained close working relations with all his African counterparts, visiting many African countries, including Kenya, on several occasions. We remember fondly his last visit to Kenya during TICAD 6 in 2016 that was held in Nairobi. In honor of this gallant son of Africa, I call upon the leaders and the people of Africa to be united and to guard against negative influences and manipulation that may erode our common values and our aspirations. On behalf of the government and the people of the Republic of Kenya, and on my own behalf, I extend my deepest and most heartfelt condolences to you, Your Excellency, and through you to Mrs. Grace Mugabe, the entire Mugabe family, and to the great people of the Republic of Zimbabwe, following the demise of the father of the nation. Comrade Mugabe will be remembered as a Pan-Africanist and a great icon of African liberation who selflessly dedicated his life to the emancipation of Zimbabwe and Africa. He was a visionary leader and a relentless champion of African dignity. The late President Mugabe has left an indelible mark in the history of Zimbabwe and the African continent at large through his political astuteness and zeal for the economic and political liberation of Africa. The onus is now on us to keep the hope alive and deliver on the dream of a truly free and prosperous Africa. That is the most befitting tribute we can pay to the departed African statesman.